Okay, here's the question. Just a big one. These would be the two that I would choose, or like a bunch of little ones. Could probably fit like these 4 in one. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jess, and today I'm going to be planting up these really fun concrete planters from The Next Gardener. Let me see if I can grab both of them. They are kind of opposite. They kindly sent me these and a whole bunch of succulents, and I'm going to pot them up today for my patio. Okay, husband voted for 1 in each one, so we're gonna do that. And then I think I'm just gonna put some top dressing. That'll be the most pretty. Okay, this is what we have. Do not judge. This is the best organization that I can do so far. Okay, do we want white or black? Or I do have a little of this stuff left.
All right, what's your question?
White, black, or sandstone?
For what?
Just choose one.
Black.
Okay, it's for the top dressings of those planters.
Top dressing?
Like the little rocks. Do you still choose black?
Definitely black or white. I don't think sandstone.
Okay. Husband chose Black Galaxy. Got our soil. This has been an amazing soil from them. So definitely go check out this place if you guys haven't already. They have a lot of really fun stuff. So they have this soil, they had these planters, these amazing succulents, and of course the top dressings. Highly recommend. They'll be linked down below in my description box. Okay, that's all the farther I'm filling it up, since I'm going to be putting these large ones in it. But these ones are really cute. Look at how perfect this one is. Has like really cool veins in the leaves. Anyway, another project, a different day. This one is an Echeveria Violet Queen. Look at those fun little babies. I think I'm just gonna keep them all together. They're really kind of neat. And we're just gonna kind of break up the soil around the top of them. And then the thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove all these dead leaves at the bottom first before I put them. So pretty. That looks pretty centered. That one's in there pretty good. I'm going to plant up the other one before I put on the top dressing though, I think. And this one is at Echeveria Joselrin. Sure, we'll go with that. And then same thing here. We're going to just clean up the base a little. We just go around and clean this up a little. this. Look at how pretty that is. It's all sparkly and shiny. There, that one's looking pretty good.